So, I wanted to compare a regular ice scraping from Windshield versus some fancy de-ice sprays you can purchase in local store. I always thought whether there is a faster way how to get your window clean so that you don't have to freeze outside. And right now it's minus 20 degrees Celsius outside, and I'm putting this de-icer spray to the test. The bottle claims it works all the way down to minus 30 Celsius, and it comes in a 400 milliliter can, so expectations are high. The first things I noticed is that it actually takes quite a lot of time just to get the entire windshield covered. You can't just spray and go, you have to stand here in the cold and wait for the chemical reaction to actually start working. After doing a full test on a windshield, I have to say I'm just not impressed. It feels like the regular old ice scraper is still faster and leaves the glass much cleaner. Maybe the stuff is better when it's only a few degrees below freezing, but at minus 20, the traditional way still wins.